All right, thank you so much, Nifemi. As part of its mission to reduce poverty and improve human welfare through food security, education and healthcare, the Aliko Dangote Foundation, in partnership with the Citing Foundation, a Switzerland-based humanitarian nutrition think tank committed to ending malnutrition, is championing the wider adoption of fermented food to enhance nutrition across Africa, particularly in Nigeria. That focus formed the crux of discussions at the roundtable held in Lagos on promotion of production and consumption of fermented foods for foods and national nutritional security in Nigeria. Sunday Binibo reports.
Nigeria boasts of a rich tradition of indigenous food fermentation, an integral part of the country's heritage and local economy. Fermentation provides multiple benefits, including improved health, long shelf life, better food safety, and enhanced nutritional value. Despite its proven challenges, the fermented food sector still struggles with challenges ranging from limited awareness to lack of investment and innovation. To address these gaps, the Dangote Foundation, in collaboration with Sight and Light Foundation, is spearheading advocacy efforts to revive and promote this vital practice.
When you have a technology, you have a tradition or traditional method, we want to call it, that can help you to preserve your food, keep it, you can use it some other time, you can add value to it, you can do so many things with it to be able to store it. Then why can't we look at that direction? Because all that we want is, we want something that is local. Local solutions are those solutions that we really need, not the global solutions we look at.
What we want is for the idea of fermented foods to be more widely discussed. And it's not surprising to anybody because we all know those foods, which is why we wrote our own compendium, just looking at all the different things that we consume in Nigeria that are fermented. So now, hopefully, we want the industry to start thinking about how can they include more of this in their offerings to people.
The roundtable served as a platform for government representatives, industry players, and nutrition advocates to explore strategies for scaling up fermented food production and consumption across the country.
It appears that we are actually in trouble because our parents hundreds of years ago used fermented food and they were healthy. And now we've discarded fermented food and we're not healthy and we're trying to pop up vitamins in our food. So ultimately, the ultimate result of the research is that we need to encourage the use of fermented food.
The government is very ready to strengthen the existing collaboration that we have with Aliko Dangote and Sight Alive and other stakeholders to ensure that we crush the current high burden of micronutrient deficiency in the country.
The Dangote Foundation says the partnership underscores its commitment to advancing food security, reducing post-harvest losses, urging stakeholders to embrace fermentation as a key tool in combating hunger and malnutrition across Africa. Sunday Binibo, TVC News, Lagos.